Bonjour à tous! Today we're doing something crazy. I'm teaching French to my robot assistant, Pierre-Bot. Let's see how well AI can learn French, or if it turns into a hilarious disaster. Okay, Pierre-Bot, repeat after me. Bonjour?
Bon, girafe.
Okay, Pierre-Bot, repeat after me. Bonjour?
Bon, girafe.
Non, non, c'est bonjour.
Bonjour, girafe.
Non, non, c'est bonjour.
Bonjour, girafe.
Let's try another. Comment ça va?
Comment ça va-t-il?
Let's try another. Comment ça va?
Comment ça va-t-il?
Say this. Je voudrais une baguette.
Je voudrais une poubelle.
Say this. Je voudrais une baguette.
Je voudrais une poubelle.
Last one, merci beaucoup.
Merci, bacon.
Last one, merci beaucoup.
Merci, bacon.
Et voilà. As you can see, teaching French to a robot is harder than it looks, but it's a lot of fun. What's the funniest mistake you've ever heard while learning or teaching French? Let us know in the comments.